Hey guys, you have like too many apps. Uh, you have too many apps, but then you don't know how to organize it. You don't want to delete all the apps because some of the apps you might need later, but then it's just taking up too much space, especially on your storage. So then if we're going to go to settings, we're going to want to, we're going to go to settings and we're going to go iPhone storage. So that's under, once we get to settings, we're going to go to general, then we're going to go iPhone storage. And you see it's that over half my storage is apps. So one thing you can do is to offload apps, and especially offloading unused apps. That's going to help your storage a lot. So we're going to just go pick the ones that we don't want, and then we're going to go ahead and click it. And then we're going to just say, this one's taking up like 1 gig. We want to keep the documents and data. So then we're going to go ahead and just push offload app. And then now it will save the data, but then the app is no longer going to be on the phone. And if you need it again, you're going to have to go back and you're going to have to manually download again. Yeah, so instead of deleting apps manually, this lets your iPhone manage storage automatically in the background. And that app that function we want to get to, we're going to go ahead, open settings, and we're going to go ahead and click, go to the bottom spotlight and put offload. So offload, okay, offload unused apps right here. Go ahead and click that. And then we want to go ahead and turn it on. So make sure this toggle is on. If this toggle is on, then Apple in the background will start to delete the unused apps. Or sorry, not delete, but then offload. It won't completely erase. It'll keep the documents and data. And then this can help you start to manage. And then you'll start to see over time that there'll be the apps that you're not using so much will start to have like the little iCloud, the cloud sign. And then you can actually go ahead and then just start removing them, like by clicking this and then edit home screen. And you might put the minus, remove from home screen, and then you can start organizing it this way. All right, guys, I hope this video helps. Please subscribe or comment, like. Bye-bye.